Hey there, today I will review Mailercloud email marketing tool. The great news is this tool is back again Appsumo platform. They provide lifetime deal only $69. The regular price is $420. If you want to get lifetime access Mailercloud tool, don't forget to check out my description link. Also, this month they offer spring back again 2024. If you want, you can buy this 12 product. This price is ending 12 April in 2024. You can easily find this 12 product link in my description box. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first I will explain what is Mailercloud. Then I will show you who is the founder of Mailercloud. Then I will explain Mailercloud features, pricing plan, how it works, pros and cons, and overall why we choose Mailercloud. Hey there, it's Sapek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel I will review best digital tools that will help your business. So guys, let's dive in. So guys, what is Mailercloud? Mailercloud is an email marketing tool. You can easily create, schedule, and automate professional design email that can grow your subscribed list with this tool. You can easily design custom emails without writing any code or use responsive email template that optimize the viewing experience across device. You will be able to customize branding elements like font, color, button, style, spacing, and graphics to create a seamless user experience. Since you can drag and drop pre-designed content blocks, it's super easy to create custom layouts. Even better, Mailercloud lets you maximize conversion with AMP emails. Pack your email with interactive content to boost engagement and click-through rates. Not only does Mailercloud make it easy to send engaging targeted email campaign, but it also lets you use real-time analytics to optimize them. Send email that people actually read. Who is the founder of this tool? Binup Tewat is the creator of this tool. Mailercloud features. They provide lifetime access. They provide automation, workflow, time-based campaign, autoresponder, A/B testing, drag and drop editor. They also provide mobile-friendly email newsletter, template gallery, segmentation, and API. Mailercloud pricing plan. Mailercloud provide 4 license tier. When you choose license tier 1, you will pay $69 one-time purchase. All features above included. All premium plan they provide. You can edit 7,500 contact list. Unlimited email, unlimited user use this plan. When you choose license tier 2 plan, you will pay $129 one-time purchase. This plan you will add 50,000 contact list, unlimited email, unlimited user use this plan, and this plan they provide no Mailercloud branding. When you choose license tier 3, you will pay $199. You can add 30,000 contact list. Also they provide previous features. When you choose license tier 4, you will pay $299 one-time purchase. This plan you will add your contact list 50,000. This deal is in 12 April. If you want to get lifetime access, don't forget to waste your time because this price is ending 12 April. You can easily find this tool in my description box. Let's see guys how to use Mailercloud. After logging your Mailercloud account, you will see this dashboard. At first you can create your email list. At first I will write my email list name. Now you can upload your email list CSV file or copy and paste your email list, or you can edit individual contact list. At this time I will paste my email list. Then click continue button. Also you can edit your text. Then click continue button. Then you can successfully create your list. Now I am going to show you how to create email campaign. At first you can click create campaign button. At first you should write your email campaign name. You can write your subject line. Here is my email subject. They also provide AI powered subject line generator. If you want, you can use this subject AI generator. Which ID you can send your email. You can enter your name while you reply to your email. Edit your campaign text. Also you can edit email disclaimer. You must edit this disclaimer button because this is the email requirement when you send any email any subscriber list. If people don't like your email, they can easily click unsubscribe button. Also you can email prehender conversion tracking. When you fill up your all requirement, then you can click save and continue and easily create email campaign. They provide template gallery. You can find all template. When you choose template, you can click this template gallery and find template. If you want, you can upload your template and save your template this too. At first you can create your template name, then create button. Then you can choose your theme, which one you can create your email template, 1 or 3 column simple text or black layout. You can input your HTML code template or paste your code or input zip file. I hope it's super easy to read. Also they provide automation features. You can create your automation. They provide 2 automation features, advanced or classic. This advanced feature they provide all advanced automation. And the classic, this is the simple automation features. You can write your automation workflow and create campaign. I choose classic and at first write my automation name and create workflow. Then you can target your audience, which audience you want to save. I want to use make money online audience, and then click continue button. You can apply the automation to new contact only or the existing contact only or both. You can choose your automation, or if you want you can choose both. At this time I will only choose existing contact. You can easily set up your time setting when you sending your email. 10 April I will send 10 April 2024 and in date 12 April 2024 2 p.m. Then you can click continue. This is your email sequence list. You can create your added campaign. Then you can click your automation workflow, but I will not create any email campaign at this moment. I hope you can easily create your automation workflow, and it's very simple and easy. Anyone can do it. Also you can show your report, regular campaign automation, autoresponder, workflow, and many more. But you can easily show your whole contact list. Here is my 33 email contact list, 6 valid. You can see your bounce rate, unknown, spam tab. You can see your open rates, clickers, abuse, unsubscribe, and spam complaints. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to use Mailercloud. Mailercloud Pros. Easy to use email design builder. Personalized subscriber management features. Detailed metric analysis for better insight. Wide range of email integration. AI powered tools for creating custom workflow. It's alternative to ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp, and MailerLite. They provide a free plan, even no credit card needed. They provide 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this tool, you can easily refund your money. The customer service team at Mailercloud is very responsive. Mailercloud cons might require some time to explore all features thoroughly. There is the pros and cons. Mailercloud email marketing tool. Why we choose Mailercloud? Guys, if you are a marketer, content creator, e-commerce owner, email marketer, this tool is perfect for you. You can easily create your email campaign, create automation workflow with this tool. Guys, if you are looking to simplify your email marketing efforts and achieve remarkable result, Mailercloud is the way to go. You will easily find this tool in my description box. But guys, this offer is ending 12th April. Don't miss this opportunity before ending this offer. So guys, don't forget to share your opinion. This video is helpful or not. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.